Hey guys, so we're back another day in the garage with the WRX. Today we're gonna work on the wheel bearing. So I want to say the wheel hub because it came in one piece. So I'm hoping you guys can see. So we moved this. Yeah, that's no bueno. But if we move the driver's side, that doesn't move at all. So that's the goal for today. Let's remove that, and we have that part here. We also are gonna replace the dust shield, which also goes on this side. I might leave this for last, honestly. Might not do it, who knows. I might save that for another day, just because that's a whole nother process. I assumed that wheel bearing was bad, so I was gonna tackle everything in one shot, but it turns out it's two different wheels. And this is the wheel hub. It already comes with the bearing inside of it, so all we have to do is replace this. It's 4 bolts, looks like 14s maybe. This should be fairly easy, I hope. Let's begin. Let's take this wheel out. I'm about to take this out. Okay, we're back another day, well, the next day, and we were able to order the axle nut, well, the axle socket. It came out to $8, I think, or $9 on Amazon. Hopefully this is gonna work. Yep. All right, so first we got the axle nut. We gotta make sure it's not pried all the way. There you go. I think it was even on the wrong spot, but yeah, so we got it now. Let's take these out. So now we can see that there's 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts. So it's a 14. Let's bring out the big boy. Hey guys, we're back. It's another day. Day 3. We have moved on to day 3 only because I was a little exhausted from yesterday's activities and errands. I just didn't have the power in me to kind of continue. So let's continue. Well, give you a rundown of what occurred. So we was able to take out the axle nut. That's fine. We put it back on the strut just to try to take out the hub. All 4 bolts are out. We've been banging it, as you can see. I don't know if you guys can see the dents. So we've been banging it to see if it will get, loose. Nothing happened. We did throw some PV blaster around it just to see if that would help. We were gonna get like a hub puller, but it's about $50. I think there's other ones that are about $20, $30. But I would have to wait for it to come in, and I just thought I can still kind of pull it off without it. So now today is a new day. Got some rest, rejuvenated, have the strength to continue on. So now what we would have to do, or what I would want to do, I'm gonna continue banging it, and if I can't get it out, I'm gonna start torching it, which I have the torch somewhere around there. And we're back. We have a package, and this is supposed to be the hub puller or removal thing, which was $50, and I hope it's gonna work. Let's try it out. Was $50. So you're supposed to hold it by 2. Oh, they give you different sizes, I'm assuming. Yeah. I think I found it. Found the winner. This took us a while, probably I want to say a good 30 minutes, but it came off. Finally. You can see the damage on this. I'll show you guys. That's the damage from the hammer. But it does work. Some you would have to just be really aggressive with it, and then the sounds that it makes from like the hammer, it kind of like, that's what bothers me, and this is what took the most time because I had to recover at it after each time. And let's clean this out before we put the new pieces on. so we finalized everything. I did mess up in one part. The dust shield was actually on the opposite side, which resulted to not being able to put the caliper on. Really good move, so I ended up having to try to take out the hub again and rotate the shield. We did that, everything's finalized. This side is done. Well, I'm calling it quits. I'm gonna leave the axle seals for tomorrow. It's already 8 o'clock. It's pretty late already. I'm just gonna move on to the axle seals. I don't want to take the car out and not fully do the job, bring it back in, put it on jack stands again. Might as well just do everything while I have the car up, knock that out of the way, and have one less thing to worry about. So thank you guys for tuning in. Hope I was able to help you in some kind of way. Definitely drop a comment, let us know what we should do next, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.